Hello everybody, it's a very unexpected live. I had hoped I would be able to do this on Friday when I got my shipping notification that it's on board and ready to be delivered, but it didn't arrive, and it arrived today, of course, while I was out and school supply shopping. But anyway, I am obviously talking about my BBB, my big brown box, and I'm just so excited to finally have it here. Shipping is taking a little bit of time these days, and that's okay. That's what the world is about, and it's only crafting supplies, so you know, we are well, we are healthy, and there's a lot to be grateful for. I'm just checking to make sure I'm live properly. It doesn't seem to be showing, but I could be looking. There we go. It is. Yay. So I should introduce myself. My name is Tatiana. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Australia, and I am going live now on Facebook to unbox my latest goodies. So the new catalogue started on the 4th of January. In Australia, we had a bit of shipping issues and we didn't get all the celebration items in time. But when the rainbow paper did finally arrive in Australia, I placed this order because that rainbow paper was on top of my list, and I had to have it. So I was waiting to buy all these new goodies to get the rainbow paper. So let's flip and check it out. All I've done is unseal the box, and I thought I'd share the excitement with you all. So let me know. Celebration items have all arrived, and if you don't know what celebration is a celebration, not celebration, celebration. So you get free products for purchases, and this is exactly what I did. So I'm going to pull everything out and we can have a look through it together. All these items are new, and they're all from just pulling out the catalogue. They're all from the mini catalogue, which is the January to June 2022 mini catalogue, previously known as the Occasions catalogue. So here are my goodies, and shall we start with the rainbow paper since I started talking about it? So I managed to get 2 packs of rainbow paper, and it's called Sunshine and Rainbows, and very, very appropriately named. Let's check it out. It's 6 by 6, and there are, let's see, 1. Okay, it might be easier to go from the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not coming out. 7, 8. Ooh, so many different designs. 9, 10. 11, and 12 double-sided designs. So there we go. You've just seen them from one side. So let's check out the other side. We've got suns and some really great patterned paper. Now this one I will come back to, but I'm super excited about this. They're clouds, but I'll show you why in a minute. So we'll just kind of stick that one out. Oh, this is little love hearts. How cute is that? And that, it coordinates with the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, which is this stamp set. And look, the little love hearts are there too. That's the back. So some really nice single color pattern paper, which can be used on with anything really. And that also coordinates with one of the stamped images. See, how awesome is that? We've got dots and stripes. It's spoils, more rainbows, more. I love this paper, the patterned white and one colour. There's another one. And this, I've recently saw a video on Instagram that it coordinates with the negative of this, so you can use the negative and you can just see through the dies there that it coordinates. This is so exciting because in Australia we haven't been able to get our hands on this stuff until now. Well, I ordered it when I could. So there is the fun paper, and if I pull out that, the clouds I did purchase previously. Where did I put it? There it is. This punch is in the catalogue as well. It's the cloud punch, and it coordinates with the clouds in this paper. How awesome is that? So if we line that up, there. Oh, how cute. I know that one's got the edge, but you know, hey Joan, how's it going? I'm so excited. That is so cool. Okay, so that was my celebration goodie in this order. And that was, I'll have these out. Now this comes from the sweet, but I didn't buy any of the sweet. Probably will eventually, but I have that catalogue. I'll just show you the sweet. It's a very fun sweet. It's one of those, there it is, the Gumball Machines. I couldn't remember what it was called. It's on page 12 of the mini catalogue. And the dies cut out, and we have domes that fits right in there. But then there's these, I guess they're little gumballs, but just, oh, they're so much fun for shaker cards. I do love making shaker cards. So I thought it would be a lot of fun to have these. And if one could sit and sort these out into colour, it could make a fun rainbow shaker kind of thing if you have those spare moments. So what are these called? I should probably say frosted bead assortments. So I thought that would be fun for some sort of shaker card. And then I got, now I'm not very good at pronouncing it, bro, punch. And it's two different leaves in the one punch, which I thought was really cute. And you know what? This green would be perfect for it. Some great little accents. And what I love about punches is just they're so easy and quick to use that would be such a fun little accent to have even behind a cloud. Too busy, that's too patterny, but you know what I mean. Punch, there we go. That is there. That one has a stamp set also that coordinates with it. Didn't purchase the stamp set because it wasn't quite me. Let's see, where is it? But the punch was very, I thought, so versatile that, there we go. It's on page 26. There we go. So you could do that punch with the bundle. Brows and, I can't pronounce it, sorry, and blossoms. And none of them actually punch out per se with the punch. It's more that it coordinates and works well with the stamp set. But that's what I loved about this, is that you could just use this punch for anything else. It didn't have to be this particular set. And I love what they've done here with it. Isn't that fun? So what's next? I also got some dies. And these ones are the beautiful shapes. And these are really super duper fun. I'll bring them up in the catalogue as well so that you have a point of reference. Again, there is a coordinating stamp set, which I didn't get, page 50. But I just thought these are really good versatile dies. So there's the bundle if you wanted. And there's layering hexagons little hexagons, and these two are attached together so you could create like a negative peeking hole. And then these beautiful swirly edged pieces. There's a circular one, and then these more natural shapes and little triangles. I thought that would be very versatile to have, and don't have to use them with this bundle, that it coordinates really well with anything. So that was my thoughts. Then the amazing thanks. We got given the stamp set that coordinates with this one. Let's bring it up in the catalogue. It's that one. It coordinates with Amazing Silhouettes, page 40. 39 and 40. That up. So here's the stamp set. You're stamping negatives. I don't know, is that the right phrase? And one of the artisan design team members shared a post recently. Stamping Up shared it from the artisan design team. I can't remember who it was, but they used the stamp set and they did some amazing things. I'll try to share that after this video on my Facebook page. But what I really loved is the dies that coordinate with this. Again, so versatile. Don't have to be used with this, just the stamp set. They are words of "you are amazing" and then thanks. And there's 2 for each one, layering them. So if you can see the thank you in that sample, the thank you, and then it's got the background. So that's always works really well with vellum. I've seen it, but or you could use the single, more detailed die. So that's really exciting. They're layering word dies. I think that's the best way to describe them. And I'm so excited, particularly thanks. I love sending thank you cards. I just love appreciating someone and to tell them that you're amazing. That's pretty cool. So those are the 2 things. Oh, and then I threw in some Memory and More cards because part of that hexagon, which one was that? If I get it right. I don't want to get it all wrong. After 5 years of demonstratorship, the names all start. Oh, my brain can't cope with naming everything. Hello, I just got my order finally. Finally arrived. Where is it? What did we say? Page 60, didn't we? No? Where did the hexagons go? Oh, there they are. They were page 50. Not 60. 50. Oh, yeah. No, they're not part of the suite, but they show up there. Oh, so what suite is that? Oh, yes, there we go. It is part of that suite. I haven't gone crazy. So this suite has this DSP, which I have already purchased. And let's see what it's called. It's Abstract Beauty Specialty Designer Series paper. And it's a brand new size. It is a 4-inch by 6-inch paper. And you've got all these beautiful designs, and they've got gold foiling on one side, so that makes it the specialty. I see this as being one of my favorites. Shame there's only 5 sheets. Ooh, missing. Anyway, you get the point. There's very abstracty paper, and then it's on the other side, it's a lot of fun designs as well. But the point is that they're 4 by 6. And where do I put the Memory and Mores? Yep. If I open these up, use my hook. There we go. The big ones are slightly bigger than when you fold it. So it's slightly bigger than 4 by 6. Meaning that you can mount one of these, have that beautiful white border around, and you've got an instant card almost ready. You just need some sort of sentiment and embellishment and a bing bang boom. And the Memory and More card pack also has little cards, which is what I really wanted. And these are slightly smaller than, let me get it right, 2 by 3. Meaning if I chop one of these in half, let's do that. I cut that at 3 inches. stocking. Again, cute, quick card. Just add the sentiment and a bit of embellishment and you're done. That's why I ordered those. Not a new product, but I just wanted to point out, because they're normally packaged or shared with the Memory and More cards, advertised more so for those, but I just wanted to point out that this DSP pack would be fabulous for making some. So if you need, this might be fun birthday cards actually, if you need a stock of birthday cards to have on hand, here's your solution. A pack of Memory and More note cards and envelopes, and a pack of the Abstract Beauty DSP. You'll just need some sort of label, sentiment, bang. Cute, simple, fun cards. So I'm just going to pop that away, put that to the side. And what else did I get? I've got 2 more things to share. I bought the Faux sea glass shapes. To be honest, the colours really attracted me to this. It doesn't say the colours on the packaging, which is a real shame. I'll just bring it up because I don't want to get the wrong colours. I think it's Just Jade. No, do we have Just Jade still? Yes, we do. Wasn't sure. It all starts blending. There we go. They're on page 33. Be good if I can count. They are part of a suite. They're part of this beautiful Artfully Composed suite. And I've seen so many beautiful cards. So this will probably jump into my shopping cart soon. They're Just Jade, Old Olive and White. Now, I'm not normally a fan of Old Olive, but loving the way the Old Olive look on these. So these, I thought they got some nice natural shapes, and I thought that would be really fun. And then finally, I picked up the Stripes and Splatters 3D embossing folders. Bring them up also in the catalogue so that you can see the samples. But they're the 2 mini ones that can be used with our mini Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine. The splattered one, let's put a bit of paper. There we go. We've got a piece of cardstock here, so you can see it better. So that splashing, I thought just looked so much fun. And this is the stripes. Also quite fun. Let's just double check where they are in the catalogue. I love the little index at the back. No, not that one there. Page 55. There we go. And they're not part of any suite, they're just shown here. But the splashes have been used in the background there for this one with the cloud punch. So isn't that fun? And that is my goodies that I've been long waiting to order. So that's it, no crafting today. Just got school supplies to organise and sort, and thank goodness school is going back. Fingers crossed, all safely and soundly on Friday, and then I can focus a bit more. So thanks for watching and joining me. I hope that you've gotten a bit more feel for what the new products are, which new products are available. All of Celebration is available. I'll just, where's the Celebration brochure? Oh, it's over there by the computer. That's right. So Celebration is on now. You can purchase all of these supplies and anything from the current annual catalogue and mini catalogue that I've just been flicking through at my online store. I'll put the link in the description. And thanks so much for your support. Bye for now.